Although dogs are the most popular and beloved pets in the world, there are countless strange and fascinating things that most people don't know about them. For example, the real reason why dogs smile may surprise you, and sometimes, it could even be quite unsettling. Dogs also have some incredibly interesting traits, like a special organ that helps them smell better than we can, and a strange bone in their body located in an unexpected spot. These quirks only make us love our loyal four-legged friends even more. But did you know that the smiles of dogs, which we often think are expressions of happiness, aren't always what they seem? When dogs open their mouths, raise their lips, and show their teeth, it can sometimes be a sign of stress, anxiety, or even a warning. Therefore, observing a dog should not be based on just their mouth. We need to pay attention to their entire body, ears, eyes, posture, and movements. A dog smiling in a stressful situation might make you think they're happy, while in reality, they could be feeling frightened or uncomfortable. This shows how understanding a dog's body language can help us nurture our bond and better understand their needs and emotions. If you're passionate about learning more fun facts about dogs, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to discover even more wonders you might not know yet. Let's continue exploring the amazing world of these four-legged companions together. And if you think dogs are simply loyal friends, you'll be surprised by another fact: dogs are capable of doing math. Not that they can solve complex problems like humans, but they can identify quantities. And an interesting study showed that dogs can distinguish between two different food portions or quantities of objects. When the number of treats in front of them changes, dogs tend to spend more time thinking about that change. Scientists suggest this may be connected to how mother dogs count their puppies to ensure all their babies are being cared for and not left behind. You might not think that dogs can count, but this shows just how intelligent they really are. Additionally, we all know that human fingerprints are unique, but did you know that dogs also have their own unique fingerprints on their noses? Yes, each dog has a distinctive nose print just like we have our own fingerprints. This opens up exciting possibilities for recognition technology. An app is being developed that can scan a dog's nose print, and if they ever get lost, the system can help reunite us with our furry companions. This not only proves how unique dogs are, but also shows the deep bond we can share with them. When we think of dogs, we often picture them running around joyfully, but here's something interesting: dogs don't sweat like humans. When they run in the heat, instead of sweating like we do, dogs cool themselves down by panting. As they pant, moisture evaporates from their nose, mouth, and lungs, helping regulate their body temperature. In fact, although they don't have sweat glands all over their bodies like we do, dogs do have small sweat glands on their paw pads. While these glands aren't as efficient as ours, they still play an important role in cooling their bodies down. If we watch closely, we'll see that dogs often lick their noses. This is a natural behavior that helps them capture scent molecules from their environment. When they lick their noses, these molecules are transferred to a special organ located on the roof of their mouths, called Jacob's organ, which helps them smell even better. In fact, a dog's nose is an incredibly sophisticated tool for detecting and analyzing the world around them. Another fascinating fact is that dogs can learn many words. On average, a dog can understand about 165 words, equivalent to the cognitive ability of a 2-year-old child. But it doesn't stop there. The smartest dogs can learn over 1,000 words, which is an impressive feat, especially considering that these words aren't just basic commands but include object names, activities, and even emotions. This shows that dogs have incredible intelligence and are capable of understanding and communicating with humans in ways we might not expect. Even more interesting, dogs experience emotions like humans. One study showed that dogs feel jealousy when their owner gives attention to another dog. This emotion is no different from how we feel when someone steals our attention. The way dogs express affection is very similar to humans, and that's one of the reasons why we feel such a deep and loving connection with them. Additionally, here's an interesting fact about how dogs express affection and closeness with their mates. Male dogs have a special bone in their bodies called the baculum. This bone helps them maintain rigidity during mating, but it's also relatively soft compared to other bones, which reduces the risk of fractures if things get too rough. This is a unique biological detail that helps us understand more about the complex anatomy of dogs. And what if I told you that dogs can sense Earth's magnetic field? A study revealed that dogs can sense and orient themselves when going to the bathroom, aligning their bodies with Earth's magnetic field. This is a rather strange and hard-to-believe ability, but it's backed by scientific research. This remarkable trait shows that dogs not only possess incredible loyalty, but they also have superior senses that we can hardly imagine. In fact, dogs can also be left or right-pawed, just like humans are right or left-handed. Researchers have studied how dogs use their paws during different activities and found that dogs can have a distinct dominant paw. This shows that dogs are not just loyal companions, but also have unique biological traits just like humans, from the way they move to how they interact with the world around them. An interesting fact that few people know is that dogs have 3 eyelids. The third eyelid helps protect their eyes from dirt and keeps their eyes moist. It's incredible to think that even the smallest details on a dog's body have a purpose, helping them live healthy and happy lives. Finally, if you think only the stories about dogs are pure, listen to this. A study found that dogs can carry puppies from different fathers within the same litter. While this may not happen often, it's evidence of the diversity and wonder within the world of dogs. Dogs, with all their strange and fascinating traits, continue to surprise us and fill our hearts with even more love every day. They are not just four-legged friends, but intelligent, perceptive, and affectionate creatures. Every dog has its own unique traits and stories, and they deserve all the love and appreciation we can give. Let every moment with them become a cherished memory, because they've taught us about loyalty, unconditional love, and patience.